I'm going to demonstrate the array function in our software. This allows us to set a certain number of hatch angles. So we've got a graphic here. We're going to engrave this into some aluminum material. So again, just click on the print function here and then print the job over to our software suite. Here's the array function, this little drop down here. So I'll click on the hatch angle array. This allows us to engrave different hatch angles. We can engrave up to 100 different angles. So if you wanted to do 100, you could set the increments of 3.6 degrees for a full 360, starting at 0 degrees, and then 100 count. That would give us 100 different hatch angles. That's quite a lot for what we're going to do here. So I'm going to set this to do 36 different hatch angles, and we're going to do a count of 10 there for a full 360. Here I can set the laser parameters as well. I'm going to set the frequency low, maybe set the power at 100 and maybe the speed at about 75 for this one. And then I want deep engraving, so I'm going to run that waveform up to the high point. That'll give us the longest pulse duration at 500 nanoseconds. The hatch angle or the spacing looks pretty good there. So I can just save that. And you'll notice here that all of our hatch angles populate in the software suite, all 10 of them there. And then we've got our graphic all set up here. You can see it on screen. I might reposition that a little bit to make it square. And then I'm going to call this just E for Epilog, and then I'm going to print that over. At the machine, I'm going to do a trace function. And I can use that trace function to help me to align the part a little bit better. And we're ready to go. Actually going to move this down a little bit here. Put that right there. Turn the trace off. There's our job, and then we'll hit go. So the engraving is going to happen, and again, different increments, 10-degree increments, but 36 times. That's the hatch angle array function. Really handy for deep engraving. You don't have to go through the software and import all of the laser parameter of the hatch angles. You can just do it automatically through hatch angle array.